Did you know that improper wheel alignment can cost you more than just a smooth ride? Let's talk about why proper alignment is so important. Wheel alignment refers to the adjustment of your car's suspension, ensuring that the wheels are positioned at the correct angles relative to the road. This helps the tires make proper contact with the ground, giving you better control, smoother driving, and less tire wear. So, how do you know if your alignment is off? Uneven tire wear. If one side of your tire is more worn than the other, it's a sign your wheels aren't aligned correctly. Pulling to one side. If your car drifts left or right on a straight road, alignment could be the issue. Crooked steering wheel. If your steering wheel isn't centered when driving straight, it's time for an alignment check. Keeping your wheels properly aligned does more than just improve your ride quality. It helps extend tire life. Tires wear evenly, meaning you won't have to replace them as often. Save fuel. Misaligned wheels create drag, making your engine work harder and burn more fuel. Improve safety. Proper alignment gives you better control of your car, reducing the risk of accidents. To maintain proper alignment, it's a good idea to get your wheels checked every 6,000 to 10,000 miles, or at least once a year. Also, if you hit a pothole or curb, have it checked sooner. Keeping an eye on tire wear and handling will help ensure your car stays aligned and roadworthy. So, if you notice any signs of misalignment, don't ignore them. Proper wheel alignment not only saves you money but also keeps your car running smoothly and safely. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car care tips.